Hello everyone. So after the waterfall model, here we have another model, incremental model. So before understanding this model, that how does it work, first let's understand one concept of modules. What is module? So basically what happens, let's say that a company is developing a software. This is the software, and of course this software contains many modules, right? Now let's say this is your for example, let's say this is for the accounts. This software is for the accounts. So here many different modules you need to develop, like credit. Let's say module A, B, C. I'm just giving the name, and let's say that A is your credit module, then B is your debit module, then C is your let's say profit module. So many different things, right? So what happens basically, as we have seen in the waterfall model, for all the SDLC phases we follow one by one, like first requirement and then other, like that. But in incremental model, what happens, you apply the SDLC for each module, right? Like for each module, means what you do normally, you break your software in different modules, and then you apply SDLC for each module. You apply the SDLC for, like, first on A. So on A, now see this. Now on A, what you will do for the module A, you will do the requirement, then you will do the analysis, then you will do the design, and then you will do the coding. And so means your first module is ready. After that we will go for the second module. So the same thing you will do for the module B, like requirement, analysis, design, and like this. So ultimately what you are doing, ultimately you are incrementing your software. Like first you're done with this job, then this job, like this. So we can say that first it is your software, right? So first you have developed, right now it's blank, it's empty. Then you developed A, then you developed B, then you developed C. So ultimately what you are doing, ultimately you are incrementing, right? And so this concept is known as the incremental model. And if you notice this is iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration. The reason is because you are following the same thing or a same phase for each and every module, right? So we call it iteration. So this is about the incremental model.